In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address in TurboTax. If you need to update the email connected to your TurboTax account, this is a quick process, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can make the change without confusion. Before you begin, make sure you have access to your TurboTax login details and that you already know the new email address you want to use. It's also a good idea to choose an email account that you check regularly since it may be used for account notifications, sign-in verification, and other important updates. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to account.intuit.com. This will take you to the Intuit account page, which is where you can manage the settings connected to TurboTax and other Intuit services. When the page loads, sign in using your TurboTax credentials. Enter your account information carefully and continue through any verification steps if prompted. Depending on your security settings, you may need to confirm your identity before you can access your account details. Just follow the on-screen instructions until you are fully signed in. After you're logged in, look for the menu and click Sign In and Security. This section contains the account settings related to how you log in and how your account information is protected. If the page takes a moment to load, give it a few seconds so everything appears correctly before moving on. Next, select email address. This will open the area where your current email is listed and where you can make updates. Take a moment to review the information on the screen so you know you're editing the correct setting. Now enter your new email address and then save the changes. As you type, double check the spelling to avoid mistakes because even a small typo can prevent you from receiving important account emails. After saving, your account may update immediately, or you may be asked to confirm the new address through a verification email. If that happens, open your inbox and complete the confirmation step to finish the update. Once everything is saved, your TurboTax account will be connected to the new email address. That's all it takes. If this walkthrough helped you, you can replay it anytime while making the change, so you can follow along at your own pace.